Namaste, Satyanarayan. Welcome back to Yogisha channel. I want to thank all the subscribers for watching and sharing the videos. Those who have not subscribed, please do so and press the bell button also to get the notifications in the future for the new videos. Now today we are just going to have some stretches for the upper body. So mainly the shoulders, okay, shoulders, arms, okay, shoulders, arms, wrists, neck and the upper back, these are all the main upper bodies. Now mainly the shoulders are the very vulnerable, shoulders and neck are very vulnerable since it doesn't have much support. See, if you take the upper body or if you take the whole body from here, okay, the lower spine and the mid portion of the body has got a good support. Okay, from here to this, it has got a good support. But if you see the upper body, that is the shoulders, it doesn't have a good support because at one point or one edge or one side, it has got a good support. That is, this arm is attached to the main body through the shoulders. So in one side, it has got a good support. The other side, it does not have any good support because this is freely moving. So because of that and many other reasons, we get upper body stiffness. At the same time, the same thing is for the neck also. See, this is like a small bridge. We have seen the bridge. When you cross, okay, when you cross a bridge from one place to the other, okay, just imagine this is a bridge. Okay, what happens if you see the roads also, like you have to reduce the speed and then go. If you are going at 80 kilometers per hour, you cannot travel at the same speed. You have to maybe bring your vehicle down to 40 or 30 kilometers or 20 kilometers depending upon the length of the bridge. The more the length, unstable will be the bridge. The same thing, now this is a bridge. Okay, this is a big body and this is also relatively a bigger body. Okay, so now this is a bridge. So because of this, it does not have any support. Now we get into many problems. When we wake up in the morning, many times, we wake up with the soreness at the shoulders and the neck. So we just do something and try to remove that stiffness. Nothing happens. Now today we are just going to see a couple of postures, very simple ones. Okay, now see, stand from here. Okay, from here to keep your arms on the palms on the shoulders, I mean on the wall, and push your shoulders and your body backward. Tighten your shoulders a little bit and stretch them. Stretch them. The main thing is, you have to push this lower back, okay, lower body backward. So automatically your shoulder also stretches out. Okay, stay here for at least 30 to 60 seconds. 30 to 60 seconds. See that your body or your spine is parallel to the floor like this. It should not be like this. So this is 45 degrees. So this is parallel. So it is almost 90 degrees from your leg. Okay. So that is one stretch. The second stretch I will tell you, it's very easy. If you have a yoga strap, it will be very easy. Otherwise, you can use anything like, towel or anything. But if you have a yoga strap, this is what happens, you need not hold it, right? So just buckle it and make it simple and easy for you to use. Well, now what should be the length of this? See, so it's somewhere around the same length of the shoulders. Am I right? Okay, so now just keep it like this, and if you want to make it little tight also, absolutely no issues, little tighten it. Right, now see, just hold it and try to stretch out your hands. So hold this for at least 30 seconds. Don't struggle, concentrate on your breath. Right, next same thing. Right, 30 to 60 seconds, maybe once or twice. Rest and up. Now what you will do is slightly sway to your right. See that your hand touches your ear. Okay, my left hand goes almost closer to my left ear. If it doesn't go, don't worry about that. Don't try to manipulate something. See, even if it is going to stay here, it is okay, fine. Give some time for all the muscles to stretch. Okay, that happens with a period of time. Right, so up, straight. Okay, now to the right and left. Okay, now one more thing what we have to do is, see, twist. So I am twisting to the right and twisting to the left, all 30 to 60 seconds, twice, once, twice, thrice, whatever you want you can do. Now one more thing which we have to do is the cow pose. Okay, now just keep it like this and take it back. See, it will be like this. Okay, now look straight, don't do anything. See, just look straight, but don't push your body like this, and don't give that lordotic stretch. Make your whole body straight, that's very important, otherwise you will be uh, damaging or injuring your mid back. So what I want to tell you is this. See, it should be straight. It should be straight. Normally this is what we do. Okay, so we tilt our pelvis back and make it like an arch like this. So it should be straight. Okay, nothing is going to happen within the 30 seconds. It is only that stretch, periodic stretch is going to give you that required thing. Okay, so this is the stretch which I just wanted to share with you. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you.